Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Google Voice is actually good enough to use of your real business phone line or if it's just too basic for serious work. Google Voice gives you a free or low-cost virtual phone number with call forwarding, voicemail transcription, spam blocking, and call screening and texting, all synced across your devices using your Google account. And while it works great for solopreneurs or side hustles, thanks to its simplicity and easy setup, it lacks advanced business tools like call recording, team extensions, auto attendance, and CRM integrations unless you upgrade to Google Workspace plan. So if you need a clean, no frills number for client calls or separating personal from more work on a budget, Google Voice can definitely work for business. But growing teams may need more powerful solutions. That's the full review. If you're starting out or keeping it simple, Google Voice gets the job done. So like and subscribe for more fast tech breakdowns like this.